Ping, 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 ping. Have a look at Daddy Mike. Who's that anak?
Daddy.
Is that Daddy?
Yep.
Babe? Let's see, babe. There's more photos here of Daddy Mike.
Hi.
Tingnan niyo.
Mommy, this is so cute.
Daddy Mike, hello, that's me and Tita Gabs. Oh, this is long time ago.
Oh,
Probably
look,
2012.
a bunny.
10 years ago.
Hi, look, I found this
Bunny,
one.
have a look at Daddy Mike. Oh, look at Daddy. Daddy, smile a little bit and see if it's the same smile.
Mommy,
Daddy Mike, nak. Where's Daddy? Good job. Well done. Dear Jovi, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for the last year and a half. You have been the perfect partner and will be the perfect mother to our beautiful daughter.
Mama.
Look forward to loving you for the rest of my life.
Mama, look, Mommy,
Yeah.
look.
To my princess, happy 25th, yeah. My 25th birthday is
Mama.
long time ago.
Mama.
Oh, good job, my love. That's so cute. Happy 25th. I hope you love your gifts as much as I love you. Iba rin si Daddy Mike, eh. With extra hugs and kisses because it's your special day. Happy birthday, Mike. Sorry. P.S. You are my world. Daddy, you said you are my world. Is that still the same?
Mama.
What are you doing, Ate Paris? Is that your box, Ate?
Yes, my box.
Ito yung pinakamabigat, guys. Grabe. Kaya, nilagay na natin ito, Edgar, dyan sa gilid para hindi na naman kailangang buhatin. It's super, super, super heavy.
That's so many boxy.
I know, so many boxes.
No, it's a boxy.
Boxy?
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo, oh. Now, we just have to do the arranging. TV's here now. I just don't know the cords, Bobby. Do you know? Like the antenna, no? For the TV?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think we'd be best to do, especially if we can get Celine to sleep. Let's do the bed first.
Yeah, no, I did try before. It's very hard. Tingnan niyo ang katulong ni Mama, oh. I'm doing the bed. At ito siya ay audience. Are you Mama's audience? I'm nearly there, guys. Nearly. So, dati Mike may ginagawa din sa labas. So, yeah. I can do this by myself. Meron na naman kaming screwdriver. Kagabi, we tried to do it last night. Never realized kailangan pala namin to. So, hindi namin nagawa hanggang ngayon.
A few moments later.
Alright, people. Look what we've done here. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Hindi ko na nga alam anong oras. We got the kids on the side. Tingnan yung dalawa. Sabi ko kay Ate Paris, bantayan niyo muna ang kanyang little sister. Laruin niyo muna, oh.
Do you want?
Boo! 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 Lala! Mabakod! Bakod! So, yeah, it's not really hard to do, guys. Mabilis na siya gawin. Ano lang, dami lang kailangan screw. Kulang nga yung screw eh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Dito, merong screw na lagay ko. So, I scattered na lang. So, dito, wala. Tapos, dyan, meron na naman. Wala, meron, ganun. Para ma-share yung ano. Kasi kailangan hindi siya mag-move ba. Obi, I'm very, interested to know kung okay lang ba ito siya kapag nilagay na ang ano. Bed. Wala na namang ibang parts. Yun lang. So we're going to put the the mattress. Hoy! Ano na, Ate Paris? Kaka Celine. Hello! It's okay. Tapos yan siya, kailangan ng paligo talaga. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang layo ng binyahin nito, Melbourne to Melbourne. Sobra kabulingit. Final result! Woohoo! Woohoo! Celine, do you like your bed? Ay, shush. Big girl. So, I like this one, guys, kasi hindi siya masyadong ano, ang tawag dito, taas ba? Tingnan nyo, ganyan lang siya. Very low. So, I'm looking for, black art. I'm looking for like a darkening, curtain there, guys. Tingnan nyo, meron na namang talian dyan. Kasi diba sabi ko, sobrang bilis araw dito. 5 o'clock, may araw na.
Daddy.
So, it's good na lagyan. Meron na naman dyan. So, bibili lang ako sa, maybe sa Bunnings. Di ba, nak? Is it comfortable, my love? Huh? So, this one, we will put in there. Do you think it will fit, Daddy? Yeah, it should. No, that way. Face that way.
That looks silly.
Mom, this is your surprise, mine.
Ah, yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, my love. Daddy
This
called
is
it.
your surprise.
The range.
Okay, Daddy, Mommy. Daddy, Mommy, I got a surprise for you.
Okay, what's your surprise? Show me. Wow, that's so cute.
Yes.
Thank you, my love.
Thank you.
Hello, baby.
Mommy, look. I actually Paris.
Oh, wow, yeah. I need to buy something, Daddy, for the rice.
Have a look.
Honey, show me, babe. Oh, well done, Daddy. Daddy was doing this, guys, habang ginagawa ko yung bread. And Daddy, have a look what Daddy's doing. Daddy is making us dinner. Having steak.
Dad, what's in here?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Paris, go. Go, it's okay. Just put it back.
I just want to look at something right here.
No, Papa.
There's nothing in there, my love.
This is Filipino food.
So, ito siya, guys. Para dyan, yung binili namin kagabi. We still couldn't figure out kung paano ito siya gawin. Hello, Daddy. Must be installed by a licensed electrician. Good luck. Yeah.
Have a look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, well done, Daddy. Daddy put stuff away, guys. Ito yung mga boxes. Huh? Oh, wow. Good job, Daddy. Well done, Daddy. And now it's very messy here at the moment, guys, but you know, we'll get there. So, mga boxes here. Shoes. Oh, ito pala siya. So, yan yung plano namin, diba? We are just thinking kung maganda ba yan siya dyan. Hindi pa namin na complete niya, guys. So, yan yung nasa hallway. So, sinisigarin. Yan yun siya. You have to take this step off. Ayan. Meron pa kami ilalagay dyan. So, what do you think, guys? Let me know kung okay ba yan siya dyan. So, when you go there, ayan, you'll see the mess. So, the boxes, tonight, I'll slowly put them all away. All my bags. Here, yes, it's messy. Boxes everywhere. Boxes, shelvings. So, kailangan ko pa i-organize kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko dito actually. Yeah. So, kailangan kong pag-isipan ng mabuti ito eh. So, Daddy Mike and I are thinking about getting Paris single bed. So, dito yung single bed niya. Ito, yeah, I'll think about it, guys. Ayan, yung kanilang mga, ito yung wardrobe ni Paris tsaka ni Baby Celine. Dito yung mga damit nila, iba. Diyan. Si Messi here, guys. Ang aking buhok ay messy din, oh. Hindi ko na Ang ating Baby Celine pala ay nakatulog na. Our daddy Mike is cooking now, guys. Our daddy Mike is the best, guys. There. Marami pang kailangan ano yun. Nakikita. Sweepin natin? Ha? Are you sleepy?
Mommy.
Yes, ma'am. Steak, we have gravy and mushroom. And that is loving our air fryer, guys. It's very quick. Very quick and easy, Daddy. How long do you have to put the chips inside?
10 minutes.
10?
Ma, I want to see the thing. The chicken.
What thing?
The chipping machine. That's a machine.
Machine. It's air fryer, my love.
Our father is a machine.
It's an air fryer in the solar system.
But there on
Is that off na look?
there. Mommy. Mommy. My office is a cat.
There you go. Chips and
My office is a hat.
very hot, my love.
Can you close it? Mommy. No, I want to do it again. Mommy. Blow it, just blow it. Because I want to have some. Is it cool now?
What's your food, brother? What color plate do you want?
Blue.
So yummy.
Mom.
Happened?
Just
Oh, come.
cut.
Look what we found, guys.
My look, it sticks
Treasures.
out. It looks like it can come out. Look.
Hmm? Where's that one up for the... I said-
It looks like come out.
Come out?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very cute, Nak. Do you know the story with that one?
Mommy,
Hello, where's that cow, Nak?
the tail is there.
Sino ba? Tingnan na niyo, guys, oh.
So one.
Sino ba?
Say my, you didn't know.
So, first time na nagbisita yung daddy ni
Mommy?
Daddy Mark dito.
Mommy,
Yung si Paris pa yung
you
anak
think
namin.
you can
Eh, don't take it off, Nak. Don't take it off, Nak.
I'm not, but the other one is gone.
It's okay. Si Paris pa yung anak namin. Ito yung iniwan niya sa,
Oh, another
sa table namin nung umalis siya. Sabi niya kay Daddy Marco, I'm very happy for you. You have a great girl.
Daddy.
In fact,
Daddy.
2 girls. Treasure it all.
Daddy.
Bongga!
You remember this?
Dito ko kasi nilagay sa isang box, guys, lahat ng mga
You just give it.
Tingnan nyo. Preschool days. Ting, tineneng. Have a look at Daddy Mike. Who's that, anak?
Daddy.
Is that Daddy?
Yep.
Babe? Let's see, babe. There's more photos here of Daddy Mike.
Hi.
Tingnan nyo.
Mommy, this is so cute.
Daddy Mike, hello, that's me and Tita Gabs. Oh, this is long time ago.
Oh,
Probably
look, a
2012.
bunny. A bunny.
10 years ago.
Hi, look, I found this
Bunny,
one.
have a look at Daddy Mike. Oh, look at Daddy. Daddy, smile a little bit and see if it's the same smile.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, look.
Oh, that's cute, my love.
There's more too.
You're so cute, Daddy, when you're a kid. Tignan nyo.
Wow, there's a car.
Aww. Alam niyo ba, binigay sa akin to ng
Guys,
lola at saka
guys,
lola.
guys.
Anong guys, diya?
Look at this.
What's in it? Open? Binigay to sa akin ng lola at saka lola ni Daddy Mike.
Mine.
Sabi niya, treasure.
Mommy, look what's inside.
Aww, cutie.
Mommy,
Yes, honey, guys.
look.
That's nice, Mama.
Let me see. What?
Asan si Daddy Mike dito?
I can.
Hang on. Where's Daddy Mike na? Where's Daddy? Good job. Well done. Laverton. Bob Laverton Kindergarten.
Yeah.
It's where you were?
Can you read it?
Now this is from Tito Ron to me. This is so from me to you with like heaps of love and stuff.
Mama, read this one.
Happy birthday. Love you very, very much, Ron and
My
Gavin.
mama read this one.
What's this one? Oh, it's from Fallon.
Mike, tell.
Dear Jovi and Mike, wishing you all the blessings in the world as you prepare for the safe arrival of your baby girl. Such an exciting chapter of your lives ahead. You will be great parents. Looking forward to cuddles. Aw, cute. Have a look at this one, guys. There's only one happiness in life, to love and be loved.
Mommy.
Yes, honey girl. Have a look what Daddy's got. Yay! So we can have a jelly. Tingnan niyo, anak, guys, anak.
Mama.
Daddy, listen to what you have written for me. Dear Jovi, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for the last year and a half. You have been the perfect partner and will be the perfect mother to our beautiful daughter.
Mama.
Look forward to loving you for the rest of my life.
Mama, look. Mommy,
Yeah.
look.
Paris time, my turn. Paris time.
Look at this.
Big cuddles
Look
and
at
kisses.
this, Mama.
Yes, no. That's cute.
Read,
Okay.
Because I want to have my jellies.
Mommy, read.
Oh, Daddy, see how sweet I am, Daddy? So when we were at South Melbourne, even before Paris, guys, so Daddy just wrote this one, Michael Love Jovi, and I
Mama.
kept it, Bob.
Mama,
I kept it with me.
Mama.
This one's the sweetness
Mama.
me writing it.
Oh, sweet.
Mommy, can you read this one?
Here's another one, guys. Daddy gave to me on my birthday. Wishing you a happy birthday. Lots of love and special wishes are being sent your way.
Mama,
It's not? Yeah, it's an owl.
may I open my.
Yeah, hang on, let me read this one now. To my princess, happy 25th, yeah. My 25th birthday. It's
Mama.
like, yeah,
Mama.
long time ago.
Mama,
Oh, good job, my love. That's so cute. Happy 25th. I hope you love your gifts as much as I love you. Iba rin si Daddy Mike, eh. With extra hugs and kisses because it's your special day. Happy birthday, Mike.
read.
Oh, P.S. You are my world. Daddy, you said you are my world. Is that still the same?
Mama.
Daddy said I'm his world now.
Mama.
Here's another one, guys. This is the very first time that Daddy Mike sent me flower. Now, this was when Daddy Mike was courting Mommy.
Mommy.
Nag-send siya ng flower sa akin sa work, guys. Ito yung kanyang message.
Mommy.
Too late to be my Valentine.
Mommy.
Thank you for showing me that two is better than one.
Mommy, that's
Yeah,
over
but-
here, Mike. That's over here.
Open. No, I keep talaga ng mga ganito, guys. Kasi you know, I love reading them. When we grow old. This is for Daddy. Babe, you're solid gold. Our journey so far has been an amazing ride. The best part is that you and me have been side by side. Being together gives me life's best views. With our little baby girl, I couldn't ask for anything more. We love you, Dada. It's Mike's birthday. It's from me. Sobrang dami, guys, eh. Nadala pala kami ng hangin.
Series of massive meltwater pulses.
Oh, did we bring some?
Yeah.
Obviously you did.
You want?
May nakatulog na guys, oh. Dahil Mike was trying to figure out kanina kung pwede bang Chromecast. Kasi meron kaming yung Google Chromecast pa. Hindi yata siya mag-work kapag walang internet. Tagal ko ng last week pa yung internet namin guys. Kaya nga lang, kailangan ko silang i-contact because ito pa yung dala namin galing sa Melbourne na router. Ngayon, dapat isasauli ko na. And then I realized na, nung naka-move kami dito, sabi ko, we'll just, use them, the same company for our internet. And we'll just have to reset, and also, I'll call their technician tomorrow and see if they can help me with that. Para may internet na tayo. My goodness. Sleeping girl. Excited pa naman yun siya sa TV niya. And this one, sabi ko, Daddy Mike, maybe we'll keep it in the garage kasi ito yung kasama ng vanity ko, guys. Alam niyo yung malaking mirror ko? Kaya nga lang, wala na kaming space dito, guys. There's no way I can fit it in the other room. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, i-keep na lang muna sa garage until, pag nakabili kami ng bahay, kasi we'll make sure na, mga 3 bedrooms yung mabibili namin na bahay. Soon. Kawa ng Diyos. And, tsaka ko na siya ilalabas. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, yeah, you don't really use it. Maganda kasi yung lighting, guys, kapag ito siya. Kaya, nilalagay ko sa room. Time check, guys. It is 11:30 na ng gabi. At si mami niya na lang ang gising dito. So, Daddy Mike just went to bed. And he got ready. Yung, susuotin niya at kakainin niya for, breakfast tomorrow. Kasi Monday bukas mag-work ang ating Daddy Mike. My goodness, what a day today. Yeah, I just want to give like a big shout out to my family na tumulong sa amin today sa pag-move. Seriously guys, 3 cars ng tito ko and trailer, tapos yung iba sinakay sa sa sasakyan namin. But meron pa talagang naiwan doon sa ating storage. So, yung sona ni Daddy Mike, tsaka yung ating chair para sa ating vanity ay naiwan doon. At wala na yun siyang lock. Alam niyo ba kung anong nangyari kanina? So, ready na ang lahat papunta ng storage. And then, I realized na nag-change pala ako ng handbag. So, akala ko yung key ay nandun sa wallet ko, but naiwan pala sa isang bag. And then, luckily, tayong mga Pinoy, di ba, we're very, ang tawag ito, madiskarte pagdating sa mga ganyan. So, okay lang na i-break yung lock kasi sarili naman